Hey guys, what's up? It's my first bike check of 2012. Well, this is my bike, and it looks really dirty. We're in the middle of Hurricane Sandy. Yeah, nice look around. Alright, so I've been riding space bars for a long time. Very nice bars, wicked strong. My friend, my cameraman, is actually doing this. He's gone through 4 pairs of bars compared to my 1. So, I mean, come on, you can't beat space bars. So, I got those. Holding the space bars, I got the Sunday Freeze stem. Great stem, wicked strong, just awesome. Grips, Colt Van grips, super grippy. Forks, I don't even know if you can still get these. Probably can. Directors with cinemas. I don't even know what they are. There's 777 rims with tree pegs and Thunderbolt cranks, twisted PC pedals by Odyssey, the Odyssey Burlington sprocket. No, I am not sponsored by either Odyssey or Etnies. They're just stickers. My bearings for all of it are FBM, and my back hub is a G-Sport ratchet. My prized possession on this bike. Favorite thing. I ride Fit FAF. I call it Fit Fats. Some kid corrected me once and really pissed me off about it. But yeah, Fit Fat. I got a Primo drive side hub guard. Still can't. I don't have enough money to get a left-hand drive yet. Shadow Conspiracy seat with a kink seat post and an Odyssey seat clamp. Yep, that's my bike. See you guys.
Do a quick look at the bike up close.